So the winning team is Team 3, Dexter 3.
We lost. But that's okay, because I learned a lot and I'm ultimately proud of what I was able to accomplish with Team Armada. So congratulations to Team 3 for a great design and a great win. Also, we are getting those videos on how I created the prototype. Why? Because you guys did this. You are the best followers and subscribers I could ask for. I've been getting messages on how we lost even though we won the vote. Well, the way that the voting worked was that there were 5 total votes. 4 of them comprised of judges, and the judges were CEO of SolidWorks Corp, Gianpaolo Bassi, CEO of Dassault Systems, Bernard Charlet, the leader of the Ellen Meadows Foundation, Michael Medonza, and a prosthetist, Dr. Gregory Ekbaum. Those were 4 votes, and the 5th vote were you guys, the community vote. Now, they never gave a breakdown of which judges voted for which team, but needless to say, even though we won the vote, we couldn't win over the judges. I'm not too broken up about it. Team 3 had a great design, and I can see why they chose it. Of course, I still prefer Team Armada's design, but that's because I'm heavily biased towards something that I put my heart and soul into. The only thing I was kind of annoyed about was how they did the vote and how they reported the results. For some reason, you either had to sign into or create a 3D Experience platform account to even cast a vote, which is super annoying and might take a while depending on how the website is feeling. Then, after all that, they didn't even mention the result of the polling during their award, making it seem like it didn't even matter. Well, I heard you, and I appreciate all of those who did vote, and I will reward your time and effort with a couple videos on how I created the prototype. I won't go over every single aspect because there's many videos and topics that I want to get to. Yes, 12.5 tips for surfacing, I see you, I will get to you. But anyways, that's all from me. Really, truly thank you to all of those who took the time out of their day to cast a vote. It really meant a lot to me and the team. And with that, that's all from me. I'll see you next time.